The next thing I want to demonstrate for you is something called a ring launcher. As you can probably guess by the name, we're going to try and launch a ring into the air. Before I explain how it works, though, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate. As you can clearly see, hours of fun for the whole family. So, how does it work? Essentially, the ring launcher is an electromagnet. So you'll notice that it's got an iron core and it's got coils of wire wrapped around it. And before I flip the switch and apply power to it, there's no magnetic field. But then when I flip the switch, almost instantaneously, we get a large magnetic field, which means going from no magnetic field to a large magnetic field is a big changing magnetic field. And as we know, if we have a changing magnetic field, it can create an eddy current in our ring. And that eddy current is going to create its own magnetic field in the opposite direction. So what happens is when I flip the switch and add the power, it basically repels itself from the ring launcher. The next thing I wanted to show you was what would happen if we took a ring that has a slit in it. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put this ring on here. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply power, and you can observe what happens. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And what you'll notice is that nothing happens. Can anybody think of why nothing happens? That's right. Because the ring has a slit in it, it's basically got an open circuit, which means that the eddy currents are not going to be able to go around in a circle, and they're not going to be able to generate that magnetic field to launch the ring in the air.